Lesson 18 of Volume 1. Brief forms and derivatives. Glad, work, yesterday, circular, order, soon. Thank, enclose, enclosed, was, value, valuable, than, one, won, what, about, thing, think, business, businesses, doctor, any, gentleman, morning, important, importance, were, company, manufacture, manufacturing, next, short. Prices and amounts. We are, we will, to be, to pay, you are, you will, I have been, I have not been, I have been able, I have not been able, I am, I can, dear sir, dear madam, $800, $8, $800,000, $800,000. Words, new, news, even, evening, rely, reliable. Swim, swimming, park, park, throw, throws. Begin, began, beneath, efficient, efficiently, efficiency. Endure, endured, blend, blending, quick, quickly, heat, heated, fall, call, will, while, direct, depress, year, yard, toil, toiled, men, mention, choice, choices, prevent, prevents, permit, purple, grade, graded, book, foot. Okay, next. Ito naman yung mga past tense. Let's say, from the word bake. So, when you pronounce bake, ang naririnig natin, we heard letter T. So, that's why, the stroke for bake, B-A-K-T. Mist, M-E-S-T. Okay. Saved, ang naririnig natin is letter D. So, that's why we need to use the letter D. S-A-V-D. Saved. Planned. P-L-A-N-D. Planned. Combination of N-D. Feared. F-E-R-D. Feared. Mailed, M-A-L-D, mailed.